name is Jasmine McDonald. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am packing for vacation. We are leaving tomorrow to Steve's parents' cottage and that'll be really nice. We're not going anywhere tropical or sunny. We're still going somewhere we can relax and just chill. But yeah, if you guys are new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And if you're also new here, hello, you may as well hit subscribe. Now, as I'm packing, guys, we just hit 10,000 followers on TikTok the other day. So I actually made a post on my TikTok that if we reach 10,000 followers, we would get an axolotl. So we are going to get an axolotl. I want you guys to comment down below what names we should give it. If you don't know what an axolotl is, I will put a picture here. They're so cute. You guys just saw in the previous clip, I actually made like a list of all the things that I need for vacation, and I've already folded everything. I did a little laundry a few days ago and folded it now. It took a couple days to actually fold it, which is fine. But I'm gonna follow that list as best as I can and just pack everything. I'm gonna show you guys some new things that I got. Things first, I got this two-piece set from Walmart, which was $5. What? $5, which is so cute. I think it's from George. Yeah, it's from George. Really, $5. It was $19 before and now it's $5. So I'm gonna bring this to the cottage because it's so cute and so cozy looking. And it came in a two-piece set, not just the top, the little fuzzy shorts too. So I'm gonna take that with me. I'm also going to be taking this blanket that we have from Old Navy that I also got for like $6. It was kind of crazy how inexpensive it was. I'm also gonna take my pointe shoes. Even though I'm not working, I will be just trying out things, maybe posting a couple of videos here and there on TikTok and maybe film a couple of YouTube videos, probably not. Relax as best as I can this week, no work or anything. Yeah, I am going to pack my Gator Minden pointe shoes. I'm also going to pack my Flex Space bands because again, I won't be working, but I will be taking classes too. I'm also gonna take a ton of toiletries and a lot of like face care stuff because there's a huge, gorgeous bathtub in the cottage. Love my bubble bath, so I'm so excited about that. A ton of bath bombs from the Bath & Body Works advent calendar from Christmas that I haven't used because in our bathroom, we have a bathtub, but our bathroom still has to be renovated. A lot of the videos that you see is actually our downstairs bathroom. Our bathroom right next to our bedroom that's attached to the closet isn't finished, so we have to finish it before we can use it. Yeah, that being said, I'm gonna bring a ton of bougie bath stuff I'm gonna show you guys too. Oh, because we're not leaving until tomorrow as well, so I'm just packing today because I have to go to the dance studio later on tonight and I won't have time to pack before tomorrow morning before we leave. So I am just packing now before I leave for the dance studio tonight. But that being said, since we can't leave till tomorrow anyways, I'm not gonna pack all of my toiletry stuff. Luckily, my mom is so sweet and she got me the advent calendar for Christmas, so a lot of the stuff I can actually pack and I can leave a ton of stuff here, which is really nice. It's not like I only have the one face cream I have to take with me, so that'll be awesome. And I have my little shower caddy like thing, and oh my gosh, these things are the best. I already feel like I'm on vacation with this. So let's go through the beauty stuff. Obviously, I'm taking a Dr. Jart peeling solution. I am obsessed with Dr. Jart face care, all Korean face care. They know what they're doing. So I'm gonna try this one. I haven't actually tried this one. I usually do the ones with the collagen mask or something, but this one I'm really excited about because it's actually more of an exfoliant. So I'm only gonna do one face mask while I'm there. Usually I would do like 2 or 3, but we're there from Tuesday until Saturday. So I'm gonna do one face mask, which I'm gonna take this one. I'm also going to be taking this Shea shampoo. I usually use the Olaplex one, but I'm gonna keep that here just so I don't have to transport an open one, and this one's closed still because it's brand new. I'll be taking a new loofah from the Body Shop as well, some moisturizer. I love the Daisy by Marc Jacobs for my body. All sparkly too, which makes me feel so bougie. I have these cleansing cloths as well, which I haven't used yet, so I'm gonna use this. I didn't try it out. I have a ton of bath bombs. I'm taking like every single one of them, and I have one of these shower ones too. So it's like a steamer, you put it at the base of the shower and it has a little bumblebee. It smells so good. I'm gonna take one of those. Some shower gel from Bath & Body Works as well. Oops. A face wash from Lancome that was also a sample that was given to me. I think my mom also gave this one to me, which is really nice. And this Fresh Rose Deep Hydration face cream that I really, really love. Another sheet mask, which I'll leave these here to try them out. And then we, of course, have some soap we have to take. So all of the toiletries I need for tonight, like my makeup remover, I'm gonna keep here because I'll obviously need it getting back from work. But I also used this Belief True Cream this morning after my shower, and it was so nice. The skin feels almost cooled down, but also moisturized. A few sets of pajamas. Everybody is obsessed, including me, with this sports bra on TikTok. I always get questions on this sports bra. I actually got it from Winners. So the brand is Phoenix. But yeah, it's super cute, so it's coming with me. I got these pants as well from Winners that are super warm. I've been wearing them teaching and out for walks as well lately. They're from Mondetta, and they're really, really really warm. I love the color as well. And they also have side pockets, which is like my favorite thing about these Lululemon pants. But as you guys can see, they have holes. They are from when I was 12 and I'm 25, turning 26 this year. So they're very old. Obviously some pajamas like I mentioned before. I saw all of my face stuff. Oh, I also got these pants from Winners that are supposed to be more outdoorsy pants, and they're so thick and cozy. I am so excited to wear them. They also have the side pocket. These are gonna be my like go-to sweats. And the last thing I'll show you guys, because the other stuff's not that interesting. Sweaters and pants and shirts and stuff like that. This was kind of the more fun stuff. You guys also saw in the morning shot of me doing my cycling, I got these new shoes from Winners, and then these ones as well that we got from Canadian Tire. They're super warm. They're supposed to keep you warm underneath 30 degrees Celsius, and they're really soft and fuzzy. They're faux fur, faux leather as well. But yeah, I'm gonna take these pairs of shoes. I'm going to take one leotard or two. Well, last time I took one, I ended up actually doing class almost every day, like my own class in the kitchen. I don't know, it was really nice in the cottage with the fire going and the snow and everything. It was really, really fun. So I think I'll take a few leotards. But that being said, I forgot to mention that bike you saw in the morning when I did my cycling class, that's brand new. We got that last night. We actually went to Canadian Tire for a couple things. Saw the bike there and we were like, oh my gosh, it was 50% off or 46% off, something crazy. So we obviously bought it. But yeah, I think we're gonna have lunch and then I'm gonna head to work soon. So this was just my morning routine, getting ready for vacation. And I also wanted to mention before I hop off, guys, that I will be answering your questions probably either at the cottage or when I come back or February. So ask me questions down below. I'll also put a post on my community page, some questions you guys have for me for my February Q&A. So without further ado, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Sorry it's really short, but I'm going away. So I will see you guys when I get back. I love you so, so much. Thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and bye now.